Do you want to know how you can make money online as a programmer? Stay tuned as I show you 7 different ways you can make money online as a programmer. Hello YouTube, it's Alston. I hope you're doing well because I'm better than I've ever been. Welcome to my channel where I find different ways for you to make money online. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you are interested in finding different ways to make money online. Alright, so today I am actually going to cover 7 different ways that you can make $300 per day or more as a programmer online. So these ways are all different ways that I have actually tried myself. I have done them to various levels of success, so I know that they work. It'll be 100% up to you if you can find different ways to scale it to $300. Just a little bit about me and my background. I currently work full-time as a software developer, so I have a pretty good understanding of the different ways that you can make money online as a programmer. So let's talk about some of those different ways. The first way that you could actually find $300 per day is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, this way is actually going to be the easiest. And with affiliate marketing, you are basically just recommending different products or services based on the needs of your client. So if you're thinking about it, someone may need web design or web hosting. You could actually be an affiliate for Bluehost or some of the other hosting platforms out there. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how do you go about doing that? What you can do is you could actually create a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast where you're talking about different techniques. So, for example, if you are talking about some of the changes with Node.js or React or Python or whatever programming language that you're most comfortable with, you could actually provide affiliate links saying, hey, if you want to get started building your own website today, click the link to go to Bluehost or click the link to go wherever. So that's one great way, recommending different tech stacks to receive an affiliate commission. Now, if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it works like this. Basically, you provide a ton of helpful content. You recommend a product or service. If the customer purchases the product or services, you get paid a commission. Now, usually the commission is a % of the total sale. Sometimes it's a flat rate. In the case of Bluehost, it's actually a flat rate, and that rate will determine or depend on how much revenue or sales that you bring them. So that's one great way, is recommending tech. Now, you don't have to actually only recommend web hosting or web development or software development. You could actually recommend anything that will help them. So if there's a special computer, for example, if you prefer using a iMac versus a MacBook Air, you can recommend the iMac. If there's a special mouse, for example, this is an MX Master mouse here, you could recommend this mouse. So you can put all sorts of different products that you personally use and recommend in order to receive affiliate commission. Now, the largest affiliate network out there is Amazon Associates. The great thing about Amazon is there's just about everything on Amazon. The only downside to Amazon is they pay a low payout. Usually they only pay between 4 and 10% commission. When it's tech stuff, it's usually at the lower end at 4%. But there are other affiliate networks out there. As I mentioned, you can do web hosting, you can do physical products. There are different softwares out there. For example, ScreenFlow, which I use to record all of my videos. They have an affiliate program as well. So these are all different opportunities, different ways that you could earn money via programming. So that's way number 1, recommending products. Number 2 is you can actually create courses on Udemy. And this is actually something that I did. You can go on Udemy. Udemy is a platform that hosts thousands of different courses, and you could create different courses based on programming languages. For example, I took, I believe I'm enrolled in a couple different Udemy courses for building React programs, React.js. If you know anything about programming, you know what React.js is. Once I got an understanding and knowledge about what Udemy is, I turned around and, excuse me, I turned around and created a couple courses on Amazon Web Services. If you look on there right now, I believe I have 3 courses on Amazon, AWS. I have one on compute services. I have a free one on IAM, and then I forgot what the other one is. But I have 3 courses on Udemy that cover Amazon Web Services, and that's something that you could do as well. So if you're teaching someone how to do something, this is a great way for you to make money with Udemy. So you could build a program, you could show people how to study for an AWS certification. There are a number of different ways that you can make money just teaching courses. Now, you're not just limited to Udemy for creating courses. You could actually do some on your own website. There are a number of different other websites out there that do the same thing. Udemy is just the biggest one. So way number 2 is you could create courses and get paid for that. Number 3, which is similar to creating courses but a little bit different, is actually paid coaching. So if you have a very high level of expertise, let's say you built a programming language and you're one of 20 people that know how to do something in this language, you could actually do one-on-one or group coaching and get paid for that. You could charge people an hourly fee, you could charge them a monthly fee, and get paid over and over again for the knowledge and skills that you have. And again, you could apply this to anything. If you know more about Azure or AWS or even Google's cloud, you can make money month after month just by being a coach. So this is another great way to make some money online, is paid coaching. Next is you could actually launch a business. This is pretty obvious. You could do a web hosting business. You could do a web design business. You could even do web app development. While this is a little bit more active, this is a great way to make money, either supplement or turn this into a full-time job. If you are pretty good at web design, there are, I would say, thousands, if not millions of businesses out there, small and medium, that either don't have a website or don't have a website that can make them more money online. So if you can become pretty good at sales, this is probably a little bit of a roadblock for some people, but if you get decent at sales, there's a lot of money building websites and upgrading them from the HTML to PHP or WordPress or whatever it is that you specialize in. So there's a number of opportunities out there. Again, with web hosting, you can actually become a reseller. Every major company out there has a reselling program, and basically you are just getting a block of server space and you sell that. And that's actually a very good way to make passive reoccurring money year after year. And that's actually something that I had that I am in as well. If you look at revoltwebservices.com, that is my web hosting company. So that's another great way you can launch a business. Another way that you could make money online is with a digital product. Now, this is very similar to creating a course on Udemy. If you have a high level of knowledge, skill, and ability in a certain topic, you could actually create a walkthrough, a step-by-step guide on how to build something. So again, let's say you're the one of 10 people that know how to use Python to open up someone else's computer. I don't know, off the top of my head. You could actually build a step-by-step guide and show people how to do that and make money with that. You would just create a landing page. You'd create some content maybe on YouTube or on a blog, and you could send people to that website to purchase that step-by-step guide. This is a great way to make passive income for years to come. The reason being is you just need to create this walkthrough or guide once, and you create the content around it, send people to that website, they buy, you get the money. And you can actually price this anywhere between $19.99 and $59.99, $1,000, depending on the skill that you are teaching them. So creating digital products, and this could either be a PDF or a document, or it could actually be a video digital product. So you create a video guide where you're showing them step by step, almost like a course, but a little bit different, a step-by-step guide showing them how to do one feature. Maybe you want to show them how to create a WordPress plugin or even a theme. And that's actually another way that you can make money online is building a WordPress theme and putting it on a website like ThemeForce and selling it. And when people buy it, you get that money passively. Now, obviously, you have to split some of that money with ThemeForce or some of the other platforms out there, but that's a great opportunity to make money online. So I actually kind of got off track and merged two of them together. But just to finish up the digital products, again, you can either do a download as like a document, or you could do a step-by-step video guide. So let me dive back into the building a WordPress theme or plugin. So as you know, as I'm sure you know, WordPress is built with PHP, and there are people just making tons of money out there building premium WordPress themes and building premium plugins. Now, WordPress theme is the way the website looks and feels. You can sell a theme for as low as $29.99 up to like $129.99, depending on the features that are included. But people are buying themes and just putting themes on their website, and then they're actually selling them out as web design. So you could actually kind of get in on that web design from two different aspects. You could build a theme, and then you could sell that theme on a site like ThemeForce, or you could even hire out someone building that theme and then you could put that theme on ThemeForce and make some money that way. So you could actually contract the whole process out and make money reoccurring. So that's another great way. You could actually build your own software. So this is very similar to what I mentioned before. So if there's something, for example, let's say I saw last week that someone came up with an idea on how to add a flamethrower onto a drone. Obviously, there was a software component that went into that. You could build something like that and sell that to different companies. That's a great way to make some money online. You could actually, as long as you have an understanding of marketing and a little bit of sales ability, you can sell just about any piece of software to people out there in the world. So that's another great way. The final way that I'm going to talk about making money online, and you can make $300 or more every single day, is being a freelancer. Now, everyone knows about Upwork and Fiverr. What I actually use daily or frequently is a website called Thumbtack. Now, the cool thing about Thumbtack is they will actually send you jobs right to your phone. You can open up your app and decide if you want to apply for it or not. There are a number of different ways that you can take advantage of Thumbtack, but Thumbtack actually has a number of web design jobs that pop up throughout the day that you can take advantage of and make $300 or more per day. And the cool thing about Thumbtack is they include web design, software development, and even app and game development. So definitely check out those three ways. That was Upwork, Fiverr, or even Thumbtack. Now, if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing, I want you to check out the first link in the description. The first link in the description will actually take you to a free PDF for email marketing. Now, the reason why, if you're an affiliate marketer, you need to understand and know and apply email marketing is email marketing actually converts at twice the rate of affiliate marketing. And so the best way to make money online, in my opinion, if you're just starting, is with affiliate marketing. And if you get email marketing correct, you will make much, much more money and find much, much more success faster with email marketing. The other thing with email marketing is it takes between 5 and 12 touch points or contact points with a customer before they decide to buy. So if you get someone on your email list and you follow up with them, they're more likely to buy than someone that just finds your website or finds your YouTube channel. So check out that first link in the description. The second link in the description is to a course called Project 24. If you are just getting started with content marketing, check this course out because it teaches you how to create content the right way. They eliminate the spamminess of some websites or some YouTube channels. The cool thing with Project 24 is they actually give you a plan that you should follow to replace your full-time income with passive income in 24 months. Now, this plan includes both blogging and YouTube videos, so definitely check that out if you are interested in either creating blog posts or YouTube videos to create some passive income. So that's link number 2. Link number 3 is actually towards ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the email marketing system that I use, and the reason why I like ClickFunnels is 2 reasons. Everything is contained in one place. There are other email marketing systems where you have to actually link 3 or 4 different systems together. That can be annoying. That can be a pain. The cool thing with ClickFunnels is everything is in one place. When you create your landing page, when you add your lead magnet, when you create your autoresponder and build your email list, all in one place. Very easy, very streamlined. You can get it done in as short as an hour. The other reason why I like ClickFunnels is you can actually, everything is a drag and drop feature. They actually provide templates for you to use to make it go even faster. They have spent a lot of time, money, and energy creating these templates to help you find success, to start marketing and start making money. So check out those 3 links in the description. Also make sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next video.